Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Tuesday, May 6, 2025. Coinbase unveils the x402 payment protocol. ZK Sync enables full EVM equivalence. Paradigm introduces the cross-prime bridge mechanism. And Chainlink introduces a rewards program. All this and more starts right now. Coinbase introduced x402, an open-source payment protocol that enables instant stablecoin transactions over HTTP using the HTTP 402 payment required status code. X402 turns the status code into a functional on-chain payment mechanism, enabling frictionless pay-per-use payments for APIs, AI agents, compute, and content. When a client requests a premium service, the server responds with 402 payment required and includes on-chain payment details. The client then pays by sending a signed stablecoin transaction via an HTTP header. The server then fulfills the request upon verifying the payment. Developers can now integrate x402 with minimal code using existing HTTP infrastructure. ZK Sync is now fully EVM equivalent at the bytecode level, allowing developers to deploy existing Ethereum smart contracts on ZK Sync without code changes or recompilation. Standard Ethereum tools like the Solidity compiler, Foundry, and Hardhat now work out of the box for smart contract development and deployments on ZK Sync Era. EVM equivalence was introduced in ZK Sync Era Protocol version 27 via a new EVM bytecode interpreter. The interpreter allows EVM bytecode to run on ZK Sync's native Era VM without altering its core execution model. No ZK Sync specific compilers are required either. ZK Sync plans to expand the new capability across the Elastic Chain network. Paradigm released a white paper for Across Prime, a new capital-efficient, trustless, fast bridge model designed to improve upon existing intent-based bridges. Co-authored by Hart Lumbar, Dan Robinson, Matt Rice, and the Across Protocol team, the paper proposes a solution to the fair exchange problem in cross-chain bridging. Across Prime introduces a bonded model in place of the traditional escrow-based design. In the bond model, users pay relayers directly with the transaction secured by a relayer's bond. Each relayer posts a bond for a specific origin to destination route. A turnstile contract on the origin chain enforces security by ensuring the bond covers all active unfulfilled intents. A corresponding fulfillment contract on the destination chain tracks completed orders. The system uses Merkle roots to maintain consistency between chains and is fully compatible with the ERC 7683 cross-chain intents standard. And lastly, Chainlink launched a new community rewards program enabling Link stakers to earn tokens from Chainlink build projects, which are startups and protocols supported through the Chainlink Build Accelerator. Rewards are distributed based on a combination of time-weighted average Link staking and fixed allocation for both historical and active Link stakers. In other news, Uniswap launches on Sonium, ENS Domains turns 8, and Lens launches its spring hackathon. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.